Okay, good evening, my audience. The humble person, my teacher, Madam Ayuni, and my friend and my partner. First, thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala because the blessing were able to come here to join this English meeting. And my okay, mm, my audience, the presentation today about DPR or Parliament building in Indonesia. Now I will read one by one to agenda day that are one session opening, two session introduce, session three presentation time, and last session is closing. So my audience, before we show our presentation, let me introduce our my team. I'm Masudi Zainal as moderator, Mr. Rivaldi as presentasi 1, Mr. Dios as presentasi 2, 3, Mr. Enggar presentasi 3, okay, Mr. Ingga as presentasi last presentation, sorry. Okay, my audience open, we open my presentation. One presentation, one. We will give first presentation. Please welcome to Mr. Vivaldi. Please. Okay. Time is your. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Uh, My name is Rivaldi. I will explain about architect. The name Sujadi Wirjo Atmojo may not be familiar. Sujadi is the design of the MPR DPR building Senayan, Jakarta. Sujadi Wirjo Atmojo, December
And sorry,
27.
Mr. Vivaldi. Speak volume. Volume speak up.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Uh, my name is Rivaldi. I will explain about architect. The name Sujadi Wirjo Atmojo may not be familiar. Sujadi is the design of the MPR DPR building Senayan, Jakarta. Sujadi Wirjo Atmojo, December 27, 1990X in Surakarta, June 17, 1990X in Jakarta. Was an architect in Indonesia who was active during the late 1996 and mid 1997. In 1964, he was asked by President Sukarno to be in Cheng as chief architect for national architecture project in the Jakarta. Okay, thank you, Mr. Udi.
Okay. Thank
Next,
you, Mr. Rivaldi. The next presentation is Mr. Dios. Mr. Dios, please. Time is your.
Okay, thank you. Uh, my name is Dio Sanjonggi. Okay, the story of the DPR building. The story of this DPR building begins with President Sukarno, who organized the CONEFO, or Conference of the New Emerging Force. On 22 February 1965, Swejodi Wiroadimojo designed a model that displayed the entire complex building and its design when viewed from the Semanggi Bridge. After the design was approved, construction of the building began on 8 March 1965. The erection of the fixed pillar was on 19 April 1965. However, construction was halted due to the outbreak of the 30 September 1965 movement. On 9 November 1966, Suharto as chairman of the Ampera Cabinet Presidium instructed to continue the Conevo building project, but the the designation will be the Parliament building. The decision was taken after the renovation project for the Gotong Royong DPR building in Benteng 12 was stopped. In fact, the construction of the building could not be complete during the reign of Sukarno. So, after Sukarno administration ended, the construction of the DPR or MPRRI building was continued by the new Orde government under Suharto leadership. Took a long development process. Finally, the construction of the MPR or DPRRI building could be complete of 1 February 1983. Later, construction of other building within the Parliament building complex was complete in 1978 and 1983. The complex consists of six buildings. The main building began the archipelago with a roof in the shape of a Garuda bird wing containing 1,700 seats. The other five buildings are Nusantara, one building which has 23 floors and houses the office of the member of the DPR, MPR, and DPD. Other buildings are Nusantara 2 and Nusantara 3, which contain meeting rooms and office. Nusantara 4 for conference and Nusantara 5, which is also a meeting hall. Okay, the next one will be ready by Enggar. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dios. Thanks for your presentation. The next presentation is Mr. Enggar. Mr. Enggar's time is your please.
Okay, building style. It turned out the DPR Monas building are based on Asian Hindu culture. If the DPR RI building symbolizes the uni or female genital virgin, then Monas symbol the Paulus or male genital Paulus. Of course, the appearance of the two symbol is not played in realistic, but is a matter of absurd of figure. And then this design in relevant because the function of DPR is represent of the people and must accept the aspiration of the people. They represent the new building design in the form of get the reflect and philosophy of DPR. Member, we have background in various region on culture. The gate is metaphor of hope for the property of the Indonesian national with two solid pillar on is made the best of on the space recruitment and the rare management of the DPR complex area. Thank you, Mr. Udi Zainal.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Enggar.
Okay.
Okay, the next presentation from Mr. Inga. Mr. Inga, please, time is your.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Masudi. My name is Inga Prasetyo. Here I will discuss the structure of the DPR RI building. This building was built on March 8, 1965. At that time, President Sukarno intended to organize CO NEVO when the first president government filled and power changed hands to President Suharto. The deployment process continued. It's just that its function has been changed to the MPR and DPR building until now. This building, with its location in Senayan, Jakarta, was designed by architect Swejodi Wirjo Atmojo. The MPR and DPR RI building have a cell structure on their roof with a geometric dome. classification in which the shape resembles an airplane wing or a bird wing with the newest concrete dome structure. The roof structure of this building is a modification of the four-dome shell structure which is split into two whose loads are carried by two concrete arches which are building side by side and will meet at one peak point. Okay, thank you for the presentation from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I return it into the moderator, Mr. Masudi. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Ringga, the presentation. So finally,
You're welcome.
this is session last. Thank you, my partner, and thank you, my teacher, and thank you, my friend. Thanks again for presentation, all of audience. Hopefully the presentation will give benefit for us. Thank you for your attention. See you later, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.